Okay, we'll cover a scenario today. So, like encoded queries. Okay, so those who are already aware can skip the video. Yeah. So see, like there are various methods how we can query the table in ServiceNow. Okay. For example, if we are doing a glide record is a class used to interact with the databases. So suppose we are doing a glide record to, okay, let me show it directly from here itself. So I will go to background script. Okay. So see, if I'm doing a glide record to incident table, see, then what happens is what this line means. I am doing a glide record to the, I'm interacting with the GR as object to the incident table. Okay, then I will add this query gr dot add query. Say if I want active is true. Okay, and with this query, I mean, see, add query is nothing but a filter. Okay, and using this, I would query the incident table. Okay, and then if I do while gr dot next, uh, then if I want to put gs dot info, incident number is gr dot gr dot number. Okay. Uh, so this should give a list of these incidents with our filter. Yeah, so this is what we can see. So what essentially we have done is, or we can also give like gr dot, I think gr dot get row count is used like this, I think. It's 71. Okay, so 71 incidents are there. Now if we go to incident table, incident dot list, there are 98 total incidents. If I, and say now if I just comment this out, okay, if I comment out this filter, mm, yeah, see, I'm getting 98 incidents as total. Okay, so what essentially this add query has done is, so it has filtered the incidents. See, I've defined the object as gr and I'm interacting with incident table using the glide record class. This is my filter. Add query in simple language, layman's language. You can identify add query as filter to that table. So incident table, I am filtering using add query active is true. See, same thing on incident table, active is true filter is giving me 71 result, right? So then I query the table and then I can just, this is actually not needed. So if I just print the information, like how many incidents are there using the gr dot get row count, so it is returning me 71. This number is same as 71. Okay. So what I've done here is I have filtered the incident table using add query, right? Using the add query method. So there is one more way that is known as encoded query. See, let me so that you understand, let me open it again. So I'm going to incident table. Okay, there are 98 total incidents, and click on this filter, show whatever desired filter you want. So for simplicity, first example I'm taking it as active is true. Run the filter. Yeah, 71. See, put your like cursor over here to the last part of that query, last part. Do a right click, use this option, copy query. Okay, so I will paste it. So this is the query. Okay, so instead of this gr.add query, I will comment it out. Yeah, instead use this query, gr.add encoded query, pass this value as string. Okay, and now run this query. See, again the result is 71. So this is a simple one, active is true. If we like do something more complicated, like if we say state is new, if we say category is this one, inquiry or help, if we say uh, caller is not able tutor, okay, and if we say the priority is not planning, okay, and so these are four incidents. See how big the query has now been created after our modifications. So we can easily do this query in gr.add query also. Like first would be this, then again second, third, fourth, like all these conditions also we can do. But for simplicity, if we directly copy this query, yeah, so this is the query. Okay, and now in the gr.add encoded query string value, I just need to paste this query. Okay, so you can see this. Now we already know there are four incidents matching this filter. So I would just run this query again just to confirm. Run script. See, the incident number is incident. It should be number. Okay, it's the incident number is 4. Yeah, incident number is 4. Even just to be sure, we can also uh, paste these incident numbers while gr.next incident number is gr dot number, we can have it directly. Now run the script. Okay, there is some error. JavaScript compiler missing in compound statement. We have not closed it. Okay. Yeah, so these are the numbers 959 102. See, 959 17002 7002. Okay, so these are exactly the same number we are getting using the encoded query. Okay, so now let's do some operation with the help of encoded query. Now that we are already aware that we will keep this filter as same. Okay, we'll do some operations on this one. So we'll remove this gs.info. Okay, while gr.next, what we will do is we will change the state. See which state they are in currently. All are new, right? Okay. Let me, I think work in progress is number 3, right? Let me double check. Go to state, go to configure dictionary. Scroll down below. We just need to uh, find the integer value. the backend value for that state. No, these are still loading. Okay. In progress is no, this is not the incident table for sure. Let me get the table name using the personalized column. Okay, so our scenario is change these incidents state to. Okay, let's resolve it. Otherwise, to be resolved. Uh, work note. Give it as system admin is resolving this incident. Okay. Uh, okay. So this table I need incident over here. Yeah. So resolved is 6. Okay, so gr dot state I will give as 6. Okay. Then gr dot work notes I will give what we have written here. Okay. Uh, and we will say gr dot active is false. Although it should be done for cancelled and closed. Okay, so we will not do this. We will just update with this state change and value then. It's and like if we want people not to be updated with the comments and all, then we will do this gr dot set workflow false. So this should not send any notifications to users. So now let's run the script. Background message error, data policy exception. The following fields are mandatory. Resolution code, close notes. Okay. Resolution code and close notes are mandatory. Okay. Uh, let me fill these forms. For example, close underscore notes we can give here. Uh, gr dot close underscore notes is just say resolved by system administrator. Okay, and one more field I think it was asking for uh, it was okay resolution code, right? So close underscore code. uh, just let me get the backend names. Okay, so the backend name for that column is close underscore code, and the value, let's say duplicate. So gr dot close underscore code is like duplicate. Now let's try with these values. Run script. Okay. So script execution, 4 incidents are updated and 4 journal fields are inserted. Okay, so currently these all are new. Let me refresh. Okay, so let me go to all. Yeah, let me sort it by updated. See, these are our 4 incidents that just got resolved. So if we open it one by one, yeah. See, resolution code is now populated as duplicate, resolved by system admin, and notes is change the priority of the incident. So the work notes have not come up, but other fields are populated, we can see. Alright. So this, if we remove, if we run the script again, so we can see the state is resolved. The work notes have not come up. We'll check that part, and other like resolution code and resolution notes are populated for first incident, second incident resolved, duplicate resolved by system admin. So everything like right, everything has come up. For second incident, third incident is resolved, duplicate resolved by system admin. Fourth is also come up. Okay, so now let's try to uh, and do one more change. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm removing these lines and I'm setting these back. Okay, anyways, now that right, it might not work because this query is now outdated. Because so what we'll do, we'll change our query. Okay, one more scenario for encoded query we'll cover right now. Okay, so uh, we'll add updated on today. Let me see how many incidents. Okay, just now these four incidents. So I will copy this query and I will use this right here. Okay, now I want to set these four incidents back to the state one. I think one refers to new. Let's see. Okay, invalid query detected, but there are some already four incidents updated. So let me open them. Okay, it is now set as new. These values are okay. See now, okay, these fields were coming. I think we were a bit late. System admin is resolving this incident, everything, even those previous work notes and comments also have come up, right? So it was working earlier also and this time also. So it is back. These all incidents are now, back as the new state. So what we have done, we have utilized this functionality of gr.add encoded query to filter the table of incident as per our requirement. Either we can use it like gr.add query, but it would be manual everything, and we might need to give a lot of and conditions like right. So we can copy the encoded query directly from that table itself using the filter. Okay. So, so this was my explanation about the add encoded query. Yeah. Thank you.